Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you exactly how to add your Wise digital card to Apple Wallet in 2025 so you can pay easily with your iPhone or Apple Watch anywhere. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. Tap the Cards tab at the bottom if you haven't activated your digital card yet. Go ahead and do that. It's free and instant. Once your card is ready, you'll see an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Tap it and a preview of your Wise card will appear. Hit Next to begin the setup. Now agree to the terms and conditions. Apple may ask you to verify the card. This usually happens via text, email, or a code in your Wise app. Once verified, your card will be added to Wallet instantly. You can use your Wise digital card through Apple Pay. Just double click your side button or use your Face ID at checkout and tap your phone near the terminal. It's secure, fast, and works worldwide. The best part, Wise uses your balance in the local currency if you have it, so you always get the best exchange rate with no extra fees. And that's how you add your Wise card to Apple Wallet.